Overflowing pa yung energy na natatanggap namin, yung pagmamahal nila. And
Ken's longest speech ever, Day 2 of SB19 Anniversary Concert. We all know Ken is a man of few words, but when it comes to speaking from the heart, tiyak na marami ang masasabi nito. Lalo na kung ang topic ay patungkol sa kanyang SB19 brothers and 18.
ayun nga po, being a source of happiness para sa ibang tao ay sobrang, kumbaga, it's something that you can really treasure for the rest of your life. And, you know, ikaw yung magiging mismong blessing para sa ibang tao. And, gaya ng sinasabi nila, they were saying about music, by how we inspire them. Alam mo to be honest, nauubos din kami yung pagkatao namin, yung energy namin nauubos. But seeing them whenever, pag may mga performances kami, may concert kami, talagang napupuno kami. Minsan nga overflowing pa nga yung overflowing pa yung energy na natatanggap namin, yung pagmamahal nila. And that's why we're just so, kumbaga, every time na nag-perform kami, we've been here for 6 years. And ganito pa rin sila kadami. In fact, mas madami pa nga neto. Mas madami pa sila neto. I just can't, kumbaga, isang bagay na hindi ko kayang explain by words. Kasi how thankful we are to them. Sobrang maraming salamat talaga. It may seem cheesy or like cringy para sa ibang tao, but it's just unbelievable. Kasi parang walang-wala talaga kami dati. Gaya nga sabi mo, nag-share kami ng baon namin. Si Pablo yung source of source of food. Feed the grace. Kaya unbelievable talaga yung journey namin. Imagining yung mga araw na yun. Grabe yung pinagdaanan namin, yung struggle namin. But here we are now. Andito yung 18, andito kami, nag-perform sa harap nila. And nandiyan din sila sa harap namin, nanonood sa amin, and seeing them laugh and smile. Sobrang nakakataba ng puso. We are so thankful. Thank you so much everyone.